Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is how this new moon, will affect you and what is coming next with the new moon for you. Yes, friends. So many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, subscribe, like, and share. And yes, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never ever miss a reading, friends. Yes, and thank you so much for supporting us. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Even though it is for this new moon, you can watch it anytime, friends. It will still resonate with you because that is how these readings work. And also, friends, make sure to subscribe on our Instagram channel because you will also get the notifications of the upcoming readings. I post daily there. So subscribe, like, and share on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And how are you all, friends? Are you keeping safe and staying positive? What are you doing all these days? Let me know in the comments. I'm doing the usual things only, nothing much. Busy with you all, that's which is a blessing, friends, which is a wonderful blessing. So let's see how this new moon. So astrologically, friends, this new moon is in Taurus, and which is a wonderful energy because it gives us. If you it gives us the feeling of safety, foundations. It's our focus turns towards foundations, finances, what is important in our life. So Taurus is a wonderful energy for the new moon. So let us see what is the theme of this new moon. The world. Hoo. Cards are already jumping out. Let's see what is the theme of this new moon for our viewers. What is the theme of this new moon for our viewers? All right, so I definitely feel, friends, there is an ending and a new beginning for you, friends. Also, you are feeling, this new moon is about connecting with the world, connecting with everything around you, connecting, this. Look at this energy. It reminds me of the green man card. In some tarot there is a green man card. It is about grounding, connecting with earth, connecting with nature, connecting with Mother Earth, grounding, finances. It's a perfect card, actually fits perfectly with the new moon in Taurus. So what is the theme? Friends, the theme is you are between things. You are ending a thing, you are also beginning something, but the ending has not yet finished and the new thing has not started yet. So things are shifting for you. A big shift is coming for you. And also some of you feel very connected globally, or you feel very, you want to travel abroad. You feel that urge to travel abroad. You also this is you feel very connected. There are two energies with this, friends. This new moon may make you feel you are very alone in the world, or it may make you feel like you are connected with everybody in the world, and you may feel like, what is going on? I feel so busy. I feel like suddenly the world is you feel like a sponge, absorbing everything. So this new moon, it will, it is about you focusing on your foundations, focusing on grounding, taking some time to focus on your future. You are ending something, you are starting something, but you are in between right now. Also, this is a busy time for some of you, like a lot of thoughts in your mind, a lot of, especially if you are an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sag, you will think a lot. You'll be very active also, but this new moon is asking you to take a chill pill. Slow it down. Although you may be someone who has to, you are managing your work, your home life, everything. Things will be busy ahead. Things will be busy ahead. Yes, look at that. In the Knight of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, information is coming, friends. This new moon, you will find a lot of information in the coming days, opportunities, informations, but right now you should take some, meditate, relax, because your mind is saying one thing, your heart is saying one thing. This is how this new moon is, this is how things are, but you can find a resolution. Relax, meditate, those things. Also, some of you should also, message, opportunities, messages you want, they are coming. See, Eight of Wands, perfect clarification. Messages you are waiting for, they are gonna come. Not now, in the coming days. I feel in the next 2 weeks, in the next 2 months, you will notice a lot of communications, a lot of people coming towards you, a lot of friendships, a lot of opportunities also. So, yeah, but right now you should relax. Right now, you should take a chill pill. This is a time to relax. This is a time to breathe. This is a time to give your mind, like, okay, fine, don't talk too much. Four of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, how this new moon will affect our viewers. Oh, the King of Cups. So a new romance is coming for some of you. Congratulations. And the Ten of Pentacles, healing in family. Three of Pentacles, Six of Wands. So brilliant. This new moon is going to really, really reward you, friends. Especially any pause you take, any sort of breaks you take right now, they will go your way, friends. Some of you could be leaving your job. Some of you could be even taking a break from your work or something, or you are just, because of the world situation, you are already are working from home and it's quite peaceful. But any breaks you take right now, any sort of meditation, spiritual work you do right now, it will bring you a lot of success, because you are going to earn a lot of money in the future. You will become very independent in the future. I also feel like right now you may be doubting yourself. In the future you will not doubt yourself. This new moon is bringing you confidence, self love. This new moon is bringing you, yes, you can trust yourself. And King of Cups, it is bringing you a new romance, an emotionally mature person, someone you can rely on, someone you can count on. And yes, if there are issues in the family, trust, everything will get better. Trust. You have to trust, friends. You have to. Don't fight, don't argue. This new moon, you might want to fight, or others might want to fight or argue. Don't. Because peace is very important. Any The more you step back, I know this is not what you want to hear, maybe to relax, to sit back, to just be easy on yourself, but exactly this will bring you a lot of success in the future. A lot of money, a lot of independence, a new love. Possibly it will end up into marriage, a commitment. Also, family inheritances, money, family support is coming for you. People who will work with you. So, yes, work with people, find solutions, don't find problems. Try to work out, find solutions, rather than finding like, I can't do this. Instead of frustrations, turn it into fruition. What do you say, that friendliness? Instead of frustrations, turn it into friendliness. Accept your frustrations, make them your friends. I do feel, friends, this new moon is going to bring you a lot of money, a lot of success, a new partnership, possibly turning into a marriage or commitment, support of your colleagues, your bosses, your neighbors, support of everybody, success, promotions which were not anything you start in the coming days will be very successful, friends. Very, very successful. So go for it. If you are waiting for a promotion, I see it will happen in the next 2 weeks or in the next 2 months. So yes, yes. There is a delay in this new moon. Taurus works slowly, earth signs work slowly, but that does not mean it's not going to happen, right? Six of Pentacles, yes, rewards are coming. Your hard work will pay off, money will come in. This new moon is balancing your life, your emotions. Two of Wands, making you more mature love, more mature commitments are coming your way. So well done. Oh wow, Page of Cups. So I do feel somebody from the past was also, kind of immature, or I think you were trying to message somebody, but they were not replying back to you, or this person was ignoring you, because there is this Four of Swords and energy of waiting. I think you tried to message someone, you want to talk with a friend or a lover or a, soulmate, twin flame, somebody, but they were not replying you back. There was a distance between you and them. This new moon is going to open up the conversations. King of Cups, this person is going to come back with a maturity. The Devil, yes, I do feel some of you are struggling. You may struggle this time, friends, to find balance. But you need to find, meditate, do something different, like listen to, paint. Work, do gardening, do something, friends, do something which makes you feel peaceful, because you need, this will help you, this will really help you. I also feel there is a connection which is toxic, or which is kind of imbalanced right now. Maybe a marriage, maybe a love relationship, a twin flame connection, but balance will happen in this connection. I feel like you can't stop thinking about a person right now. It is because that person will going to talk to you in the future, or you guys are going to meet, right? Queen of Wands, yes, I told you, friends, a very passionate person, someone who was a little selfish, a little bossy. That person, they will come back. Aries, Leo, Sag, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo person, they are going to reconnect. I also see for some of you there will be a new person coming rather than the past, a new connection, turning possibly into marriage. This new moon will also bring you a lot of positive focus, a lot of positive thoughts. This new moon will also help you to let go of excessive, if you are binge watching too much, if you are drinking too much coffee, thinking too much, it will help you to overcome those things and think more positively. And the man, yes, someone has their eye on you. I'm watching you. Someone is definitely watching you. They will talk to you very soon, friends. Number 28 could be a man or a woman. Oh, the dog. So I do see someone very loyal, someone very caring, someone loving is coming, or a new start is coming in that relationship. New moon, what will happen for our viewers with this new moon? Oh, imagine. So your manifestations are working. I told you, friends, this new moon is the time to relax, think about things, dream a little. I keep getting that song, dream a little, dream a little dream. It's an English song. It's a very old song. It's beautiful. Dream a little dream of me. Yes, friends, it's time to dream a little. Think, be romantic, think how your life will be in the future, because it will actually come true. This new moon, new moons are about new starts, manifestations, prayers, wishes coming true. Fork in the road. I told you, friends, you are between the old and the new. So, old has finished, but the new has not yet come in. So, don't worry. You just need to decide what really you want in the future. Just manifest it. If you are already doing it, well done. Let's see what else will this new moon bring for our viewers. Oh, financial constraints. So if you are dealing with some money losses, or money is very tight right now, don't worry. You can manifest. I do see money coming your way. With 9 of Pentacles, there is a lot of money you will achieve. You can do anything, friends. Trust me. You are going to achieve a lot of financial success. Money is coming your way in the future. Appreciation, yes, 6 of Wands, success is coming. People are going to notice you. People are going to compliment you. They are going to ask you, hey, where you bought that t-shirt from? Where you bought that thing from? You look beautiful. So your hard work is going to pay off, friends. So don't worry. All right, let's see what else is coming with the new moon. What else will happen? Okay. Confront, yes, friends. I think you are trying, there is this restlessness. There is some fear in you that you will not achieve, or things will never improve in your life. This is too, sitting quiet might be tough for you. Not doing anything might be tough for you. But face it, friends. I'm trying to say that make your frustrations your friends. Fall in love with them. Let's see. Crown chakra, your intuition is very, very strong. So a very telepathic relationship. I do feel there is a person, a secret admirer coming your way, or there is a person who is not communicating with you, but you share a telepathic union with that person, and I see some healing happening in a connection which is from the past. And for others of you who are really, really single, there is a new connection, and this will be a very, very telepathic communication, a very deep connection, a very soulmate type of a connection. And anxiety, yeah, I feel someone likes you, but they are too scared to tell you. And I think this new moon is giving that person the confidence, the boost, that yes, they can approach you, and some healing is definitely happening in your love life. Embrace, number 21, the world. Embrace. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. I do see that things are about to. This new moon, it will actually open your life, open opportunities, bring you success, bring you communications, bring balance in your love life, and it will take some time because why? Because it's not like a new moon in Leo. It's a Taurus new moon, so the results will take you some time, like 2 weeks to 2 months or 3 months to show up in your life, but they will show up. That's for sure. Let's take some advice for you, friends, for this new moon. Advice for this new moon. Then we'll take some love messages because I feel like something is going on in your love life. Advice for this new moon for our viewers. Oh, be bold and make the first move. So, yes, friends, take the first leap. Confront your fears. Don't be scared. Start something new. If you have already started something new, well done. And also, I feel like if you like somebody, go ahead and say hello. You and your loved ones are safe. So, some of you could be worried about safety, or whether you are financially or emotionally protected. Yes, not just you, your entire family is. The energy is gaining momentum. Oh, okay, so I do see a spicy hot relationship, a romantic connection. The energy is gaining momentum in a relationship, so get ready. You're gonna be busy, friends. Someone who was very distant, a friend, a lover, or a new person, they are going to change. Things are going to spice up. Spice latte. Life is a spice latte, I feel. Sometimes it is too spicy. Love yourself first. That is the advice. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. Yes. I think a lot of people like you, friends, and very soon they are going to approach you, or the person from past is going to approach you because you will be shining. A lot of people are going to like you because the way you are, it's amazing. Retreat for now. Yes, it is time to take a break for right now. Yes, it is necessary to focus on yourself and just chill pill. I keep getting that song. Which song is it? Country Roads Take Me Home. So it's like just relax. It's a beautiful song, country song. Country life is laid back, it's relaxed, nothing. John Denver song, Country Roads Take Me Home. West Virginia. So I think West Virginia might be important. Let's see. So relax. It's okay to relax and love yourself right now because very soon love is gonna come. Love is coming. Love is coming. Clearly decide what you want so it happens for you now. So friends, amazing. This new moon is very, very important and blessed for you. A lot of gifts are coming and blessings, and especially a very beautiful sparkling love is coming, and money. Yes, of course, money and success is coming for you, friends. It will take some time. Yes, so do save this reading because these results will manifest like with solid. These results will take time to develop. Why? Because the way they will develop will be very strong. Nothing can erode them. Nothing can remove those things then. So wow, what a wonderful energy. So make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.